Honestly, the Garmin Cirqa Smart Band feels like a really smart move from Garmin. Instead of trying to pack in tons of flashy features like most smartwatches, this band seems to focus on what people actually need: good, reliable health tracking without all the distractions. And that's what makes it interesting. It's not trying to replace your watch or your phone, it's just there to quietly track your body and give you useful insights. What I personally like about this idea is how simple it sounds. No screen means no constant notifications, no unnecessary checking, just wear it and forget about it. That's actually perfect for people who want to stay focused, whether they're working, studying, or even sleeping. Plus, since it's expected to be lightweight, you can wear it all day and night without feeling uncomfortable, which is a big deal for something designed for 24/7 tracking. Another thing that makes it exciting is Garmin's reputation. They're already known for accurate fitness tracking, so expectations are naturally high. Even though everything isn't officially confirmed yet, it's easy to imagine features like heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and recovery insights being part of the package. And if Garmin brings its usual level of detail into this band, it could be really useful for anyone who wants to improve their fitness or just understand their body better. One of the best parts, though, is that Garmin usually doesn't push heavy subscription fees like some other brands. That means you're likely getting full value after buying the device itself, which honestly makes a big difference in the long run. Of course, it's still based on leaks, so we don't know everything yet. It might not have things like built-in GPS, and it's definitely not a full smartwatch. But that's kind of the point: it's simple, focused, and does its job without overcomplicating things. So, is it worth it? Yeah, it really looks like it could be, especially if you want something minimal, comfortable, and focused purely on health tracking. If Garmin gets the basics right like battery life and accuracy, this could easily become a go-to fitness band for a lot of people.